Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Huawei Nova 9 SE. So first I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content, because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. Let's get started. So at first open 2ip.io website on your device, 2ip.io. Thanks to this website you can see how all websites see your location. In my case it's Poland and it's true, but now I'm gonna open App Gallery and install Turbo VPN application. Open it, install it. And click open. Wait a while, press start now. Click on the cross on the right top corner and cool. Here at the right top corner you will see the globe. By clicking on it you can choose the country to connect to. For example, I want to connect to United States, to Los Angeles, for example. Then just click OK. Wait a while, and cool, you are connected. Now we need to see the ads, and we can disconnect from USA server. But you can just click on the card on the home screen of the app, and by clicking on it you will connect to the fastest and nearest server. And cool, we are connected now. So now we want to check how websites see our location. So open 2ip.io website and reload this page. Reload. And as you can see, we are in United States now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.